I think we're all very familiar with, the problem of long COVID. And so there's still so much research going on trying to characterize and find markers and understand what it is and what's causing it and have really specific targeted treatment. But in the meantime, many people are living with long COVID. And so we need to evaluate treatments now to try to help them. And so that's what this is really about, and is in parallel to understanding what it is, in particular in the disease, but also to start trying treatments. And so again, with tDCS, or transcranial direct current stimulation, we have a clinical program as an outreach of our research program where we provide tDCS as telehealth. And so early on, people who were suffering from long COVID, especially the cognitive aspects of it, came to us, and because there's no other treatment option, and started to try that. And that's really the beginning of why we're evaluating this treatment here in the RECOVER-NEURO trial. So it was really patient-led in that way, and that informed the use. They came to us. So cognitive dysfunction is probably one of it would be identified, I believe. I mean, there's different studies across the world, actually, but cognitive dysfunction is always up there as either the most disabling aspect of long COVID or one of the most disabling aspects, especially for younger adults who've been affected, and that's preventing things like return to work and that kind of thing. And so it's a symptomatic. RECOVER is structured, the treatment trials, as a symptomatic treatment. So this RECOVER-NEURO is targeting the cognitive dysfunction. And so there's actually 5 arms to the trial, evaluating, as I mentioned, tDCS, as well as online brain training games with Brain HQ, which we're very familiar with, and knowing that improves cognitive functioning. And then there's something called PASC-CoRE, which is a group support therapeutic intervention as well. So it's 5 arms. Our lab is again, we have contactless home-based treatment, including tDCS. And so our lab is actually treating people who are enrolled across the sites across the country. So individual sites are recruiting the participants, and then they come to us for the treatment. So we're delivering all 5 arms, which includes tDCS, using that platform, and our familiarity with tDCS and Brain HQ in particular. And so the trial is ongoing right now, and we're very hopeful that we will be able to identify, or at least give people guidance on tools that are near-term accessible to help them recover and feel better.